Once upon a time, in a colorful garden filled with fragrant flowers and buzzing bees, there lived a little bee named Benny. Benny was known for being one of the most hard-working bees in the hive. He was always buzzing around, collecting nectar and making delicious honey. But one sunny morning, Benny realized he couldn't do it all alone. One day, as Benny was busy gathering nectar from the blooming flowers, he saw his friend Bella, another bee, working tirelessly nearby. Bella was struggling to carry a heavy load of nectar back to the hive all by herself. Benny immediately flew over to help her. "Bella," Benny said, "let me help you with that. We can work together and it will be much easier." Bella smiled gratefully and accepted Benny's help. With their combined efforts, they carried the heavy load back to the hive in no time. As they returned, they noticed other bees working alone and struggling with their tasks. Seeing how well Benny and Bella had worked together, more bees began to join in. They formed a line, passing nectar from one bee to the next until it reached the hive. The work became more manageable, and everyone was able to contribute without feeling overwhelmed. The queen bee, who had been observing the situation, was delighted. She addressed the hive and said, "My dear bees, today we have learned a valuable lesson from Benny and Bella. Working together as a team makes even the hardest tasks feel easy." From that day on, the bees in the garden formed a special team called the Busy Bee Brigade. They helped each other with their work, making sure that no one had to bear the burden alone. As a result, the hive became more productive, and the bees were happier and healthier. The moral of the story is that many hands make light work. When we work together and help one another, even the most challenging tasks become easier, and we create a stronger, happier community. Just like the Busy Bee Brigade, remember that teamwork and cooperation are the keys to success and harmony.